Imagine traveling from New York to Sydney in just 49 minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? But for Elon Musk, it's the future of transportation. Musk's vision involves replacing airplanes with SpaceX Starship rockets, capable of reaching mind-blowing speeds of 27,000 kilometers per hour. Think about it. London to New York in under 30 minutes. This innovation could change how we connect with the world. The potential benefits are staggering. Faster travel means stronger global connections, improved business efficiency, and opportunities for industries to operate seamlessly across continents. No more endless hours spent on long-haul flights. But there's more to consider. While speed is thrilling, challenges like environmental impact and high costs are real. Rockets use methane-based fuel, which raises concerns about greenhouse gas emissions. Can this technology truly be sustainable? Safety is another critical factor. Rocket travel involves risks far beyond those of airplanes. Malfunctions, space conditions, and regulatory challenges could make this transition difficult. And let's not forget, this innovation might only be accessible to the wealthy at first. Despite these hurdles, Musk's vision gives us a glimpse into a future where the world feels smaller and more connected. If these challenges can be addressed, rockets might just redefine the way we travel. So, are we ready to leave planes behind and embrace rockets as the new norm? The journey to this future is just beginning. What do you think? Science fiction or the next great leap for humanity?